I've been a web developer for many years and graphic design and all that stuff. I love using all those tools. And so I was very confident, like, I know I can do all the stuff. But the problem is that I had this idea for a number of years and I wasn't following through on my own. And there was some stuff that I wasn't sure about. And when I'm not sure about something, I find it very hard to act. And so I took the virtual 101 class, and it was really helpful. And it helped me think about my goals better. And I made my goal, oh, by end of next year, I will have my first class done. And then 2 more years passed, and I wasn't doing it on my own. So I took the 101 course again, and I realized that I need accountability group. I need people to talk about things back and forth with, and I need more support for getting past my decision paralysis because I don't know. So I came in with a lot of technical skill, but I still learned a whole lot more. I learned how to simplify my process. I learned what for future-proof process could be like this will save you time to do it this way. That that really was fantastic. The comparison flowcharts were really, really helpful. And then when I did my own research on platforms, I had something to refer to and then to add on the other things that I was looking at. So I was not very accurately writing titles and descriptions in a way that would help my target students know that this was the class for them. And I think that a really valuable thing that I got from engaging in the whole class was to learn how to write for my student and not for me. And so all the tools and everything that we were introduced to and the process for figuring this out really helped. And at the same time that I was going through the master class, I was also prepping for my annual in-person classes. And I wrote much better promos, and I had my best sign up year yet at that show. And so I'm able to apply everything that I'm learning to all the stuff that I'm doing across the board, which is incredible. We help each other. And that is really, I was I was really anxious to get into a group like that so that I could have accountability since my main problem was I wasn't following through on my own. Um, and so I'm receiving it now. And it is definitely it's definitely helping. So I guess the thing that I can do now that I wasn't able to do before was get over that first time hump. Before you do something for the first time, it can feel really scary, and I am filled with doubt. Like, is this the right thing? I don't know. No one's gonna like this. I, I should just, you know, go lie down and not do anything. Um, but but then when you do it for the first time, you're like, oh, I can do that. It is a thing now that works. And as an example, um, so the other thing that was a very hard lesson for me to learn and took months of engaging to really learn it is how to simplify my class ideas. In a 2 hour in-person workshop, you can go in depth and you can do all this stuff. But then the online version of that is a lot of videos. And so the class that I was trying to make in our class sessions, I finally realized was just too big for me to launch anytime soon. And so as we got further into the year, into November, I said, what if I got a simple how to draw this thing tutorial out in time for Black Friday? And so I did the thing where you set a deadline and then you do all the work to create it. And I didn't have my site up or anything like that. So in addition to designing the tutorial and everything, I was also doing all that research of what platform am I going to use. And what I discovered is that even a simple one subject tutorial is maybe 8 videos. So um, that was a huge lesson. It's like, oh, each section of my long in-person workshop could be its own online class, created and made. And I had set that goal when we started of I want to get one thing out this year. And I was able to complete that goal. And now I know that so I learned so much from it. It's hard to condense that into a thing. But my most game-changing takeaway was uh, that process for learning how to better write my titles and descriptions and the marketing from the perspective of the student who wants to take those classes. Um, I think that all the other stuff supports how you put it out there and learning how to better put it out there and then having immediate success with the in-person class, applying that to it. Um, so I know this is a thing that I can build on, and I'm at the very start now. So the biggest difficulty that I face in any business pursuit is that I have real physical limitations on what I can do. I'm I'm not part of the healthy control group, and I really can only sustainably do remote work. And so things that I can front load the effort and then have the payment come later, I guess, but have it be something, have it be a garden that will continually grow, is a path forward that can help me. So I am putting together my feeling that bringing creativity for people who have felt blocked in creative pursuits before is something that I really love doing, and it feels almost more like a calling rather than anything else. And so I really appreciate being able to put all these things together to see if I can make that happen for myself.